on squad, welcome back to the channel, and as promised I'm bringing you my updated braid out routine now that my hair is longer. You can check out my previous video to see where I got to this point. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and split the back section of my hair into a workable section, and then I'm grabbing my DIY shea butter mix and applying that to seal the moisture in my hair. The shea butter mix acts as my sealant and my styling cream. And just for FYI, whenever I do this style on stretched hair, I always moisturize beforehand using aloe vera juice mixed with water. Anyways, going ahead with the workable section, I make sure to split it in 3 equal parts, or as equal as I can get it, and then I will start braiding my hair using the forward braiding method where the strands overlap over each other. And as I go down to the length of my hair, when it gets too small to braid, I would start to twist it, twirl it around my finger, and for added definition I'll do a bantu knot at the ends. So by the time I finish braiding, I'm left with 11 braids in my hair, and then I will just go ahead and take my satin scarf, making sure all the braids are laid down flat, and just tie that and go to bed. Good night, Felicia. And good morning, Felicia. Anyways, to start off, I do not use any oil just because I think I have enough moisture from my shea butter mix. So I just go ahead and pull off the bantu knot and then untwist the hair, and I just try to pull it apart so it separates on its own, and then I'm left with 3 equal parts of very defined braids. And this is what it looks like when all of it is finished. The next step I do is to go ahead and just separate and fluff my hair to my liking. I also go ahead and massage my scalp just to separate any visible parts and to create volume. At this point, I just fix my edges and continue to fluff and separate if there's anything left, and then this is the finished look. I absolutely love how defined my braid outs are coming out now, and it looks so much better now that my hair is a little bit longer. I will show you guys how I maintain my braid out in a future video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bust a like if you love the braid out, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!